If you want to use Chatsonic on Opera browser, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to access Opera's built-in AI tools so you can bring back your sidebar configurations and use AI features right inside your browser. This is a quick and easy guide, and it's perfect if you want a faster workflow without switching tabs all the time. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the Easy Setup icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel is where Opera keeps a lot of its useful browser options, and this is also where you can manage AI-related features. After the Easy Setup panel opens, scroll down through the available options until you find Opera AI. Make sure Opera AI is turned on. This is an important step because the Chatsonic widget can no longer be directly toggled from the Easy Setup panel the way some users may remember. Even though that direct toggle is gone, you can still bring back your sidebar configurations and use the AI tools by enabling Opera AI here. Once Opera AI is enabled, take a look at the top right corner of your browser toolbar. You should see the Ask AI button. This button is the fastest way to launch Opera's native AI panel. When you click it, the AI panel opens instantly alongside the page you're viewing. That means you can keep your current web page open while asking questions, getting summaries, brainstorming ideas, or using AI assistance without disrupting your browsing session. If you don't see the AI panel right away, double check that Opera AI is still enabled in Easy Setup. Sometimes browser settings can change after updates, so it's always a good idea to confirm the option is switched on. Once it is, the Ask AI button should work as expected and give you quick access whenever you need it. This setup is especially useful if you're trying to use Chatsonic-style AI features while working in Opera, because it keeps everything built into the browser experience. You can read a page, ask for help, and continue browsing without needing extra extensions or complicated setup steps. It's simple, efficient, and beginner-friendly. So to recap, open Opera, click the Easy Setup icon, scroll down, turn on Opera AI, and then use the Ask AI button in the top right corner to open the AI panel. That's all it takes to get started. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.